Welcome, future C# masters. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into C#, the versatile and powerful programming language that's a cornerstone of modern software development. From the basics to advanced features, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp of C# and be ready to start building your own applications. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this coding journey together. C# is part of the robust C family of programming languages, known for its syntax involving curly braces and semicolons. It was initially developed by Microsoft, but it's now fully open source and cross-platform, which means you can build C# applications that run on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, mobile devices via Xamarin, and even on the web using WebAssembly through Blazor. Let's start with a basic example, a simple C# application that calls a function. In C#, a function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task, defined by a return type, a name, and optional parameters. The function body is enclosed in curly braces, and each line of code ends with a semicolon. Here, the greetUser function doesn't return a value, void, and it takes one parameter, name, of type string. This function, when called, will greet the user by their name. In C#, variables are declared by specifying a type followed by a variable name. However, modern C# developers often prefer using the var keyword, which allows the compiler to infer the type based on the assigned value. This isn't the same as JavaScript's var in C#, it's type safe. Here, message is inferred to be of type string, and number is of type int. This is known as implicit typing, and it's a handy feature for reducing verbosity in your code. C# supports a variety of built-in data types like integers, floating point numbers, strings, and more. But what really sets C# apart is its ability to create custom data types using classes, structs, and records. Classes, the backbone of C# programming, representing complex data structures with methods and properties. Structs, lightweight alternatives to classes, often used for small, value-type data. Records, introduced in C#9, they are ideal for immutable data models, especially when you need to represent a simple data structure without much behavior. Here's a quick example of each. Control flow in C# is handled using standard constructs like if, else, switch, and loops. If statements, basic decision-making tools. Switch statements, they've evolved over time, especially with the introduction of pattern matching, making them more powerful and expressive. Loops, essential for iterating over collections or repeating code until a condition is met. The most common loop is the for each, perfect for traversing arrays and collections. C# is an object-oriented language, which means it emphasizes the use of classes and objects. This allows for better organization, reuse, and maintenance of code. Access modifiers define the visibility of classes and their members. These include public, private, protected, internal, and the lesser-known file modifier. Inheritance and polymorphism, C# allows classes to inherit from other classes, promoting code reuse. Abstract classes and interfaces provide blueprints for other classes to follow. Properties, C# offers shorthand syntax for properties with get and set accessors, simplifying code management. For read-only properties, you can use expression-bodied members. Constructors and destructors, these are special methods for initializing and cleaning up objects. The constructor is called when an object is created, while the destructor is invoked just before an object is destroyed. As you grow more comfortable with C#, you'll encounter advanced features that make your code more flexible and efficient. Generics allow you to create methods and classes that work with any data type. This promotes code reusability and type safety. Asynchronous programming, with async and await, C# makes it easier to write responsive applications that perform time-consuming operations without freezing the user interface. Link, language integrated query, a powerful feature that allows you to query collections of data in a declarative way. It's like SQL for data structures. To start coding in C#, you'll need an integrated development environment, IDE. The most popular options are Visual Studio, the classic choice, packed with features and great for large-scale projects. Visual Studio Code, a lightweight, versatile editor, ideal for quick tasks and smaller projects. JetBrains Writer, a cross-platform IDE that's gaining popularity for its speed and advanced features. Once you have your IDE, set up a new C# project and start your journey. Feel free to check out my channel for further content. There is also a more detailed 3-hour C# tutorial with all needed informations for you to get a pro. I put you the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to stay updated on future content where we'll explore more advanced topics in C# and beyond. Feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding. I'll see you in the next video on my channel.